speed, time, and distance. Exercise 10a. So first of all, we should know about the formula. So speed equal to, dear student, speed equal to distance upon time. Speed equal to distance upon time means in unit time the distance is covered is called the speed. Okay, in unit time the distance is covered by any vehicle, by any person, by any body, then this is called the speed. Speed is the distance covered in unit time. Okay, 1 second, 1 hour, 1 minute. Okay, then distance equal to speed into time, then time equal to distance upon speed. One formula, when we'll find distance then cross multiply, distance equal to speed into time. When we'll find time then speed will go downside. Okay, now one more thing is there, to convert 1 kilometer per hour into 1 meter per second. To convert 1 kilometer per hour into 1 meter into meter per second, into meter per second. How we'll do? See, 1 kilometer per hour, 1000 meter hour. When we convert hour into second, then 60 into 60 second. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel, then 2 5s are 2 3s are, then 5 upon 18 meter per second. Okay, so dear student, when we convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, then we multiply by 5 upon 10, 5 upon 18 to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. We multiply by 5 upon 18, and to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 upon 5. Okay, dear student. Now question number 1, first part. Express each of the following speed in meter per second. First part, 36 kilometer per hour. 36 meter per second means 5 upon 18 meter per second. Dear student, I told you to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. We multiply by 5 upon 18, then 18 ones are 18 twos are 10 meter per second. Then third part, 126 kilometer per hour, then we multiply 5 upon 18. 18 1 ja, 18 7 ja. This is meter per second. It is 35 meter per second. Okay, dear students. Now, question number 2. First part, 18 meter per second. 18, and when we convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, then we multiply by 18 upon 5. 18 is 324 upon 5, then it is kilometer per hour, then 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20, then 5 8 are. This is kilometer per hour. Okay, dear students. Now, third part, 65 meter per second. Then we have to convert into kilometer per hour. So we multiply 18 by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are 18 threes are 54. Carry 5. 18 ones are 18. 5 23. This is kilometer per hour. It is kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Okay, dear students. Ayush runs 15.6 kilometer per hour. How many meters does he runs in 22 minutes? Okay, then speed, how many meters? So speed is given, speed equal to 15.6 kilometer per hour. So we convert speed kilometer per hour into meter per second. So multiply 5 upon 18. Okay, then by 3, see, by 6 3s are 18, 6 2s are 12, 6 6s are 36. Okay, then 5 6s are 30, carry 3, 5 2s are 10, 13 upon 3. This is meter per second. Meter per second. Speed, then time 2 minutes. Time equal to 2 minutes. 2 into 60 second. Why? Because meter per second, then we will convert minute into second. Okay, by multiplying 60. Then we have to find the how many meter does he run. So distance, we have to find distance. Distance equal to speed into time. Speed 13 upon 3, time 120 second. 3 4s are 13, 4s are 52 meter. Okay, dear students, 520 meters. This is the answer. Question number 7. The distance around a field is 540 meter. Vijay runs the field 8 times in half an hour. What is his average speed in meter per second? So, to distance in 8 round, the distance covered is covered in 8 round. In 8 rounds, directly write rounds equal to 540 in 1 round, and a total 8 round is there. So 8 0 0, 8 4 is 32, carry 3, 8 5 is 40, 43 meter. Okay, this is the distance. And time, half an hour. Time equal to 30 minute. 30 minute convert in second. So 60 equal to, this is second, 1800. Okay, second. So speed, we have to find the speed. Speed equal to distance upon time. So speed equal to distance 4320 upon 1800. 0 0 cancel. 6 3s are 60, 6 7s are 42, 6 2s are 3 10s are 3 2s are 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are, then 2.4. 24 upon 10 meter per second means 2.4 meter per second. This is the speed. Okay, dear students.